Hello student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the exercise of lesson 2. You know that revision. In this video we have discussed about the take the odd one out, rewrite the following statement correctly, and unscramble the organs of breathing of the following animals. But before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First you see the homework. Hello student, as you know that in previous online class I have given homework. Give two examples for each of the following. First, rodent. So two examples of rodents are first rabbit, second rat. Second number, migratory birds. Two examples of migratory birds are first Siberian crane, second Arctic tern. Third, insects with wings. Give two examples of insects with wings are first mosquito, second house fly. Okay, you have to learn this homework in proper way. I hope you have all of you learned in proper way, and I request you in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance daily. This is a very important for you. So all student, you have to write name, class and section in comment box. Lesson 2, animal world. Today also revise this lesson. Next, today we discuss about the first take the odd one out. Here four sentences are given. Each sentence has four options. Which option is different? Which is different from others? So here see, first lion, snake, deer, wolf. See here, lion, snake and wolf. These are carnivorous. These are carnivorous. But deer is a herbivorous animal. Okay, I repeat again. Lion, snake, wolf. These are carnivorous animal. But deer is a herbivorous animal. Next, cow, rabbit, rat, squirrel. Here rabbit, rat, squirrel. These are rodents. These are belong to rodent category. But cow is a herbivorous animal. Next, I repeat again. Rabbit, rat, squirrel. These are rodents. These are rodents. But cow is a herbivorous animal. Now next, kiwi, crow, ostrich, emu. Here kiwi, ostrich and emu. These are flightless birds. These are flightless birds. They cannot fly. But crow is a can fly. Flight bird, they can fly. So crow is different from others. Next, cow, dog, lizard, camel. Here cow, dog, camel. These are belong to mammals. But lizard is a reptiles. Lizard is a reptiles family, belong to reptiles. I repeat it again. Lion, snake, deer, wolf. Deer is different from others because other lion, snake and wolf, these are carnivorous animals, but deer is a herbivorous animals. Rabbit, rat, squirrel, these are rodents. But cow is a herbivorous animals. Kiwi, crow, ostrich, emu. These are flightless birds, but crow is a flight bird. They can fly. Cow, dog, lizard, camel. Cow, dog, camel, these are belong to mammal family, mammal group, but lizard is a reptiles. So next exercise, rewrite the following statements correctly. Here 5 statements are given, but all statements are in correct form, in wrong form. So write in proper way, in correct form. See one by one. A whale is a, you know that whale is a, here fish given, but you know that whale is a mammal. Actually here in place of fish write mammal. A whale is a mammal and it breathes through, not gills. You know that whale breathe through lungs. They have lungs. Okay, this is correct form of this sentence. A whale is a mammal and it breathes through lungs. Now next, second, crow and pigeon are flightless bird. Now you know that crow and pigeon both are flight bird. You can write here flight in place of flightless birds, because crow and pigeon both are flight bird, they can fly. Third number, carnivorous have well developed incisors. No, only herbivorous animals have well developed incisors, but they have well developed canines. So here correct form, carnivorous have well developed canines. Next, fourth number, birds have teeth. Birds have teeth to eat their food. No, you know the birds do not have teeth, they have beak. So in place of teeth you have to write beak. Now teeth correct, incorrect. So birds have beak to eat their food, not teeth. Okay. Now last, snakes have legs to move. No, snakes do not have leg. They have scales. They have scales or plates. Snakes have scales or plates to move, not leg. So leg is wrong. So I repeat again, rewrite the following statements correctly. Here in correct form, this is the correct form. A whale is a mammal and it breathes through lungs. Second, crow and pigeon are flight bird. Third, carnivorous have well developed canines. Birds have beak to eat their food. And last, snakes have scales or plates to move. Now last, this is unscramble the organs. Here organs name given, but in scramble form, scramble the organs of the breathing of the following animals. Here animals name given and here breathing organs are also given, but this not given, this sentence not given in proper way, this word are not given in proper way, and you write in correct form. Here is scramble word given and you do in correct form. So first, fish. You know the fish breathe through gills. So here gills, G I double L S, gills. Fish breathe through gills. Fish have gills for breathing. Next, amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular animals. Their body made from the single cells. So their breathing organs and scramble word given O B Y D F R E C U S A. So here write body surface B N B O O D D Y S U R F A C E. S U R F A C E. Body surface. So amoeba breathe through body surface. Breathing organs of amoeba is body surface. Next, man. Man, you know, man breathe through. They have which organ is the breathing organ of man? Lungs. L U N G S. Lungs. Breathing organ of man is lungs. So you can say man breathe through lungs. Next, insects. In the body surface of the insect, a very small pores are found, and these small pores is called spiracles. This is a breathing organ of insects. So spiracles, S P I R A C L E S. Spiracles. I repeat again. Unscramble the organs of breathing of the following animals. Fish breathe through gills. Amoeba breathe through body surface. Man breathe through lungs. And insects breathe through spiracles. If you not write this exercise in copy, so you have to write this exercise in copy in proper way. If you completed this exercise in copy, not necessary to write again, okay, but learn proper way. Okay student, now write homework of lesson 2 animal word. Homework is learn tick the odd one out of lesson 2. Learn tick the odd one out of lesson 2. And I request you, please, in comment box you have to write name, class and section in comment box. Okay, after watching the video you have to write name, class and section in comment box daily for your attendance. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Best of luck. Thank you.